Okay, how to make some dirt cheap gym rings. I'm making these ones for the kids for a bit of a play centre downstairs, but I found that they're strong enough for me to use, so I use them too when I want to do a bit of a workout. What I'm using is a bit of PVC pipe I got from Home Depot today. Cost me about $6, 10 foot long, 3/4 inches. I'm gonna cut it into about 22-inch lengths. I'm gonna warm it up inside my barbecue so it's nice and moldable. Shove a piece of rope in there so it doesn't collapse. Bend it, throw it in the cold water, drill some holes and hang it up in the ceiling. So let's see how I go.